which will buy 5. So we are looking for 10 more. So by this, I'm going to be appealing to other people to say, wait, we cannot have a society where we spend millions to buy cars for political office holders, and young people are looking for tools to go to education. Our schools don't have lab, they don't have classrooms, they don't have chairs, but we politicians are living like stars. It shouldn't be. We must dismantle it and invest in the critical areas of development.